The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Could you interpret us?
They have obviously looking at sentencing, because we argued that ground, that the sentence was excessive, and so they are obviously looking at the sentence regime, what the sentence that was passed. I believe it was 35 years for Mr. Palmer, and for the court it was 25 years.
But they have made any changes to the sentence?
No, they are saying they wish us to submit to them further information so that they can take a decision on what is the sentence that would be appropriate in the circumstances. So they are particularly asking for time spent in custody. Yes. So we will have to send, we have 7 days to send that material to them, and then you will hear what the sentence is that they think is appropriate, what they will take into account, and then they will make a decision on that.
Which is an indication that they have already agreed that it should be reduced, or they will be convinced by the arguments presented?
I would say they have already agreed it should be reduced, but as to by how much, yes, it should be reduced. Then it will depend on how long each person has been in custody. That seems to be the center of their decision, how long they have been in custody until trial. Right.
Appreciate it, for sir.
Yes.
Did you have discussion with Mr. Palmer last season when you got word of the?
No, well, you know, we are on lockdown, COVID lockdown, so there is no way they're going to allow us in the prison. But Mr. Finch and I will communicate with him through the authorities, and then we will take a decision on the matter. We actually have spoken to him already on the issue, so we have an idea where we are going. We were prepared for all eventualities. As you are well aware, we don't sit in the Court of Appeal, so we have to wait on this decision. So we have gotten it today. I believe Mr. Kingston is not here, but we work together, and I believe we'll be going to the Privy Council.
Are you surprised by this?
No, the public pressure is such that there's a lot of negative for Vybz kartel from certain persons and certain areas of the society. So we expected it. But personally and professionally, I can tell you, my view, I was not in the trial. Remember that, I did not do the trial, it was Mr. Finson. But when I read the transcripts, which were 10 volumes, it was my view that he did not get a fair trial. So we are confident in that, and we will be pursuing that.
Too early now to talk about the points you were arguing for the council.
Well, the entire bundles, we have to prepare all the bundles, we have to go for leave. That's the first thing. There are constitutional issues, because, you know, fair trial is a constitutional issue. So we will basically be arguing that again.
How do you expect that he will be informed of this decision?
Well, we, his attorneys, myself and Mr. Finson, will have to contact the correctional institution and speak with the officers in charge there, and then we could ask to speak to him by phone, and they could, just as we did a teleconference a while ago, and then we will inform him. But media being what it is, I'm sure he knows already.
Thanks very much, guys. Really appreciate it.
You are so welcome.
If I might ask, QC, there have been concerns about his health.
Yes.
Is there anything that you could say about that in regards to his health condition, and if this is something that, you know, could you possibly could put forward as if they are actually health concerns?
The only way those health concerns can be used is had retrial been ordered, and then we would have to go back before the court for bail, and certainly that would help us. But we, especially Mr. Finson, follows up his condition, and when he needs to be taken to the hospital, he is taken. It's not that he's being neglected. He can't be treated in the institution, so you will know from time to time he's taken to an appropriate facility to receive whatever attention is needed.
Okay.
Any more questions?
But people just want to understand what exactly this means now for him, because they don't fully understand what that means. What is next?
Well, it basically, the court has said that they are not allowing the appeal. It's a legal term, but basically it means he stays convicted of the offense of murder until any other court says otherwise. So that is why we would go to the Privy Council. As you know, the Privy Council is the highest court that we can appeal to. And it's more or less the same process that we do here. Much more paperwork. And we will have to retain counsel in England, in the UK, Queen's Counsel. We have persons on standby. We have prepared for all of this.
Okay, so if they have denied the appeal, what do you need the extra 7 days for then?
Okay, they have given us 7 days to submit some papers. They give us a reasonable time because they know that there's a COVID shutdown right now and state of emergency. So they have given us sufficient time to get the matters before them. It's basically not anything great. And then we will hear from them again as to the sentence for each person separately.
So it is possible that the Court of Appeal will reduce the sentence?
Oh, that's a possibility. I think that is a real possibility.
But where it relates to getting him off completely, you'll have to go to the Privy Council.
Correct.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, there is reports out there that says that Vybz Kartel and co-convicts had lose the appeal. You see me? And I'm talking about the appeal of a trial where it is said that Vybz Kartel and co-convicts had been convicted for the murder of a person that is known as Clive Lizard Williams. You see me? Now, with that, I brought to you a video that shows of attorney Valerie Nita Robertson. And Valerie Nita Robertson went on to explain about the appeal, you see me? And you know, she went on to talk about things that could happen and can happen and might happen as well, you see me? And in the video, she went on to mention about the sentencing that had been handed down to Vybz Kartel and co-convicts and other things as well, you see me? Even the Privy Council had been mentioned in the video. You understand? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I could tell you what I think about this whole thing, is what I'm saying to you, but that would be my opinion and point of view, is what I'm saying to you. This whole thing is a delicate thing right about now, according to how I understand it. So me make sure I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding for yourself, and so that you can hear it from someone that has a better understanding about this whole thing, this whole appeal. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and I'm gonna move on to the next topic right about now, you see me? Now there's an audio that is circulating on social media, and according to what has been said about this audio on social media is that this audio is said to be from the mother of Clive Lizard Williams. And I'm talking about Clive Lizard Williams, who's said to have been murdered. You understand me? Now, please bear in mind that the information that is circulating on social media about this audio, it is not confirmed information to my knowledge. You get what I'm saying to you? So basically what I'm telling you is that to my knowledge, I do not have the confirmed information or the confirmed information that this audio is from the mother of Clive Lizard Williams. But however, I'm just telling you what has been said about this audio on social media, and I'm presenting this audio to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear it for yourself and you can also tell me what you think. Alright, so here is the audio. Take a listen and observe.
Fall in vain. We go down pan we knee and we pray. If we high water now fall in vain, me picnic never do him nothing. Me picnic never do him nothing. Me say, him a go there, the water now go in vain. He hold up the tag, take what the man can tie up them and come run down me picnic and kill him. He say, nah, blood clot prison, cancer go kill him in there. Him a go stand there. And Privy Council now let him go neither. Me when he done he now go have $1 left. Me high water now go in vain. The 1st of February. Every 1st of February, me remember my boy birthday, the 20th of August. Vybz Kartel now come out, me no business. Who want come look for me now can come. In now blood clot come out, but and they are dead. In the same way how me can feel it, mama go feel it too. And she never go look about him when the pooper say look about him, me only push them and lick their head on the concrete post. And when the pooper say sitting wrong with him, go she say if he left him not do him. And she come on national TV the day up and come talk about she say no prayers and blessing come down. In blessing run out. In blessings run out.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. You understand? So, yeah, you can let me know what you think. You see what I'm saying to you? And what I think about this whole thing, I just hope that somehow, somewhere, everything just work out good for everyone. You see what I'm saying to you? I mean, you know, just me. That's the only thing we can say. Because something like this is just so delicate. You see what I'm saying? I mean, I'm going to try to pretty up the thing or anything. You see me as a person, I just try to wish the best for each and everyone out there, no matter what. You understand? That's how Dancehall Skilla like to do things and do life. You understand me? Alright, so anyways, you know, let me know what you think about this whole thing, and this is where I leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.